built an ultra contemporary wine cellar. As you can see here, we have an iron door with a one light pattern. We do have the larger ladder pulls on the door itself. We did a panel and peg design, 3D. These are made by Ultra Wine. It has a Luma steel backed panel with an offset for backlight. And as you can see, we have a low voltage LED lighting behind to wash around the actual cellar itself. We have a ceiling mounted WhisperKOOL cooling unit in the ceiling above. And we have two just simple LED lighting above that in the ceiling.